This is before. This is after. Let's start the video. To add the effect, first of all, you need to download an app called CapCut. I will provide the link in description. After downloading, open CapCut app, click on plus icon, then select the video you want to add effect. Then click on add. After importing the video, cut off the extra length of the video using split option, and delete the extra clip. Then go to effects below, click on body effects, let it load. After loading, go to headwear and select the lightning eyes, and then apply the effect till the end of the clip. After selecting the effect, drag it till the end of the clip. The video clip is too fast at the beginning, so I am gonna split it and slow it down to 0.06x speed. After splitting the clip, select the clip, go to speed option, select normal, then decrease the speed to 0.06x. After slow downing the clip, go to the point where the heat vision should be unleashed. After setting the point, go to body effects below. If you can't find the body effects, go to effects, then body effects, select the electric eyes and drag it till the end. After dragging it till the end, select lightning eyes, click on adjust, decrease the color to 9 to change into red. Then repeat the same with electric eyes effect, decrease it to 9, then the color will be red. After changing the color to red, go to video effects, let it load. Then go to basic effects, scroll down, select camera focus, then click on it and decrease the blur to 22. After changing it to 22, apply it, click on tick mark, and then adjust the effect at the beginning to match the clip. After adjusting the clip, go back, then scroll right, click on filters, let it load. Then go to movies section, scroll right, click on blue-gray, after selecting it, apply it. And drag till the end to apply it on whole video. After applying, go back, scroll left, click on audio, then go to sounds. I will leave the audio link in description, download from there. And then click on resolution above, increase the frame rate to 60, and resolution of your choice, then export it. And here is the reveal.